So, are you a model that thinks that there's just one type of modeling? Don't think that you need to put yourself in a box, because you do not. There is so many different type of modeling, and in this video I'm about to give you all the tea. So make sure to watch this video till the end to get all the 7 type of modeling that I think are the most important. So my name is Vernon. I am a model mentor, and also the creator of Model to Modelpreneur. For the best branding tips and modeling tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. I know I've been gone for a while, mainly because like fashion week was going on. I was like, you know, booked and busy or whatever, so I've been working, learning a lot. So I'm ready to be back to give you guys the tea. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to give it all to you. So I know like that some of you guys might think that high fashion is like the main, you know, the main thing. Like whenever you're starting out modeling, a lot of models think that, okay, I need to become the high fashion model, which is great, you know, but you just have to be informed and know that don't just like box yourself and think that you need to be only a high fashion model. You can do, there's so many different type of modeling that you guys can also get into, even if you do want to get into high fashion modeling, which is like the highest paid, and also we're gonna get more into that. But I just want you guys to know that you do not have to box yourself. Like there's more to it, and you guys really have choices, okay? So don't feel like you cannot be a model because you got declined by an agency or whatever. Just try to find ways to fit in your type of modeling, if that makes sense. So the first type of modeling is, of course, fashion modeling. This is like runway, catwalk. You need to be 5'9" and up most of the time. That's like the regular, you know, height or whatever. And you also need to be like typically from 0 to 2, you know, like your size and stuff. This type of modeling is like very strict and very competitive. Like see like Naomi Campbell walking on the runway. You think of like all the big models, right? And they what do they look like? They're super skinny, super tall, super fit. Okay, it's a lot and very competitive. So if you want to get into this, just be ready. Just be ready to work. Next type of modeling, the second type of modeling is commercial modeling. Commercial modeling is basically like, it's print and also video. So think of like airline ads, think of like Instagram, like some Instagram modeling. You see like some of the Instagram model. Think of like your favorite restaurant, like somebody modeling for your favorite restaurant. It doesn't have a height requirement too, so even if you're a short model, you can do this. And this type of modeling, this is to kind of like appeal to the public, if that makes sense. So like they pick women that are like, you know, somebody that you can relate to. Like let's say when you see Naomi Campbell, not everybody can be Naomi Campbell, okay? Third type of modeling, this is trade show and promo model. So trade show models, usually you see like the bottle girls and stuff at the club or something. Those are promo models. Handing out flyers, that's a promo model. Oh, and also when you see like the models that are like car racing, you know, doing the little like with the flag, or just they're being cute, you know, like promoting the cars, just like they have like nice bodies. This one, you don't, this is also another form of commercial model. You don't need to be 5'9" or whatever to be a commercial, not a commercial model, a promo model. Okay, so I think it's 4, right? The 4th type of modeling is beauty. Like anything relating to beauty. So like makeup, shampoo, face mask, all of that stuff. So that is beauty modeling. A lot of shorter models I've noticed, like commercial models, do beauty relating modeling. Guys, I had to move because I'm telling you that light was not it. Like I'm sweating, like literally sweating right now. Oh my god. But before I continue with this video, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what type of modeling are you interested in. Is it beauty? Is it commercial? Is it high fashion? Comment down below and let me know what type of modeling you are interested in. I'm interested in high fashion model and definitely beauty too, but mostly high fashion model. So the fit type of modeling is definitely parts modeling. So parts modeling, think of like when you see those manicure type shoots, you know, when you just see the hand, or you see like the lady shaving your legs. Those are part modeling. And for this one, obviously they can't see your face most of the time, so this is just like if this doesn't have a requirement either, so there's no requirement, there's no height requirement or size requirement with this one. So even if you are not like super tall, super skinny or whatever, you can do this. I can't do part modeling, like it's not my thing. I don't think my fingers are like cute enough to even do that. That would not be for me. I'm sorry. This is the 6th type of modeling, and this one is showroom. So what showroom is basically like designers use this model to kind of like show your outfits or show your line to like potential buyers. So that's basically what showroom is. I've actually never done showroom modeling, and I actually really want to try it one day. A lot of them do it, like Fashion Week, they do it a lot. So basically all you do, you just stand there and people just look at you and take pictures of you. So the 7th modeling type is editorial. So when you think of editorial, think of when you're going to a magazine, right? Going to a magazine, then you see like the non-ad pictures in the magazine. Those are editorial. When you see like it's not ad pictures, it's just like models modeling. Those are editorial pictures. And this one, it doesn't really pay. Most of the time those models are not paid at all. They're just in there for exposure. But the good thing about that is that when you are in a magazine, it's like, oh, I'm in a motherfucking magazine. So like it promotes you more, and then it makes you have more paid work. So for this one, it's not that strict either. Like you don't need to be super tall, super short or whatever to do this. So now that you guys know the 8 types of modeling, I don't want to hear you guys saying, oh my god, I want to be a model, but I don't know what type of modeling I should do. Like I said, just focus on your lane, okay? And focus on that and become the best that you can be. Don't try to look at Miss Cameroon. Don't try to look at this other model right there. Do the best that you can do and be the best model that you can be, and be consistent with that. So now that you know that, I created a guidebook. It is the 8 ways on how you can become a modelpreneur, step by step. The link is down below, so go ahead and check it out, and also check out my website, okay? And I also have like free master classes, so if you want to sign up, click down below and join. Yes, make sure that to click that bell right here so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. What the fuck was that? I'm so weird. Bye. What the fuck was this? Okay, I'm leaving. Let me say bye like a regular person. Bye. Okay, bye.